Okay, my project today is to unclog this bathtub drain. It seems to be plugged up with something. Now I've tried one of those snakes. That didn't work. I tried this little snaker thing here. It didn't work. And I'm going to try the plunger, and none of these things worked. So I read up on it, and I found up a kind of like a folk cure for it. That involves using stuff in your cupboard like vinegar, white vinegar, and baking soda, and then just boiling up a big pot of hot water, which you pour down the drain first, then dump a quarter cup of baking soda and a cup of the vinegar, and Bob's your uncle. Ready for the boiling water. Turn that off. Got it. I got it. It was
spilled all down the whole thing?
I just got a little there. Not much. Hey, sorry. All right, so I got to put a cup of this in, and then that in right after I put that in. This is the white vinegar. I'm going to put a cup in here. The great thing about using this is that it's all natural, it's not caustic, it doesn't burn you, and it's not a harsh chemical. All right, we got a cup of that, and then we got to put a quarter cup of baking soda. So this is a quarter cup.
So it was open, right?
Yeah, will you fill that up with baking soda?
Was it open?
Yes. Okay, good. Now I need you to bring that, and I'll take this. And we got to go into the bathroom. All right, so I'm going to pour this down there, and then after you're going to put that stuff right down. First I got to put this in. So you have to put the baking soda in first, and then you pour the vinegar on top of it. But as you can see, look at this thing is still stopped up. I'm just pouring this hot water in there. So hopefully this will work. We'll see. Cha-ching. White vinegar, baking soda. First the baking soda. Then the white vinegar. You remember when you were a kid and you made a volcano as a science project? Well, there it is. All right. Now we gotta wait 15 minutes. Pour hot water down there. Then 15 or 20 minutes. Open this bad boy up. Down she goes. Steaming, boiling hot water. All right, let's see how that works. Let's see if it cleans it out. All right, let's check it out. Let's see if it works. Holy shit, that worked. I'm amazed. All right, sweet. Wow, that was amazing. Well, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff I've never done before. If I can do it, so can you. All right, peace.